Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically set up a custom status on Discord. So select your name and you're just going to go to the invisible, or like if you're online, just go, you're going to go to the one underneath that, which is set custom status. So maybe you want it to be like hungry, and like you can add an emoji as well here. Let's see. Where's the like basic emojis? There it is. And like you can add in like a food or something like that. Maybe like this pizza one. And then you can clear after today, or you can select don't clear and then you can clear it later. You can select which status you want the status to be, and then you're just going to set maybe like the online one or the idle one, maybe just the online one, and press save. And when you're online, as you can see, the status will be that you're hungry. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!